The Toucan Video Conference System 360 comes complete with everything you need to get your conference up and running. No additional software is required to be added to your computer or laptop, meaning anyone can connect to the device by simply plugging in the included USB cable and opening your conference software of choice. So let's take a look inside. Firstly, there's the speaker and camera unit. Now let's take out all of the accessories that come inside the package so we can look at each one in more detail. Featuring AI voice tracking to automatically focus on the person speaking, multi-directional microphones, echo and noise cancellation, and 4 full 1080p HD cameras. So we have the customer support details, warranty card and user manual. Let's take a look at the actual device itself. It's very well packaged, but let's open it for a better look. It feels very well made. There's a touch panel and I like the design. It is sleek and good quality materials. The protective cover just slides off to reveal the 4 camera modules. In these bags we have the charging cable, and there is an EU and UK plug head, which is great if you travel for business as you can swap between them. Then we have the USB cable which connects the device to the computer or laptop. And finally there's a small plug which is for protecting the connector when the camera is in your bag.